Good Thursday evening, Southeast Texas. Looks like a wet one across the area. We'll detail that in just a minute. You're looking at low temperatures over the next 7 days. You can see what we forecast. Tonight we're going to be around 62. And if you look at that, our normal low is 43. So we will be 19 degrees above that coming up tomorrow morning. Little cooler coming up on Saturday behind our front Friday, but we'll still be 12 degrees above normal despite the front. And as you can see, we start warming up on Monday. Every morning is above our normal 43 to 44 degrees over the next 7 days. High temperatures, similar story, though we may be closer on Saturday to normal, but our normal high is 63 on Saturday, warming to 64 on Thursday of next week. So we'll be close, but still technically above normal every day through the next 7. And as we take a look at the 8 to 14 day forecast, that's January 29th through the 4th of February. Really good chance that we will see above normal temperatures persisting. Otherwise, as far as rainfall over the next 7 days, maybe an inch across the area. A little heavier activity, obviously, up towards the lakes area. What we're watching tonight is a stalled front off towards our north. This will wash out, but still it's going to help to develop fog and keep the chance of showers in our forecast because of this disturbance coming off from the west ahead of our cold front. This next disturbance is in the southwestern U.S., but again, everything moving from west to east. So no north to south flow. You can see the wind arrow showing a general west to east flow. So this is not going to be a strong front. And with the another disturbance hot on its heels, that will drag the front that's coming in tomorrow back to the north. We'll see another round of rain coming up Monday because of this disturbance, dragging another cold front, a weak one, into the area. But again, with a southwest flow, these disturbances not going to have a lot of strength to them. Another front is expected as we head towards midweek. Really low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico is expected to form and wind up and sling rain our way. Maybe some quiet weather as we head towards the latter part of next week. Forecast tonight, though we have high rain chances, the activity is not going to be heavy and it's not going to be severe. So patchy light rain, drizzle, and fog across the area as temperatures drop into the upper 50s lakes and into the low to mid 60s in the triangle. Tomorrow, I'm going to go with a 40% coverage. This round of Futurecast a little bit drier. We'll see how that materializes, and we'll keep the clouds in despite what you see there. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 1 to 3 feet in your coastal marine forecast. Watch out for that dense sea fog. Otherwise, west winds at 10 to 15 knots are forecast tonight. An 80% coverage of rain. Again, that's not severe. That's not going to be heavy. It just means that a lot of the area is going to see a good chance of light rain. Lows will be in the upper 50s lakes to the lower 60s in the triangle. Then tomorrow, a 40% coverage, otherwise cloudy to mostly cloudy skies as winds become northeasterly, upper 60s to lower 70s. Tonight, again, we'll see that fog developing across the area, and it could be dense in the morning in some spots. Our forecast for Friday showing that next cold front coming through during the afternoon hours. This is not going to be a strong front. In fact, we get maybe a day of a little cooler, a little drier air before that front lifts back to the north. This is a warm front, and that opens the door to warm, humid weather conditions, 10+ degrees above normal. Scattered showers, a windy day on Sunday. Monday could be a 60 to 70% coverage as this next front comes through. Again, it's not a strong front, so we get one day. Maybe some sun for a change. So really the next 4 look dreary. Maybe a little bit of sun on Tuesday. Then low pressure develops in the Gulf of Mexico. Winds pick up a bit, and that low slings rain our way on Wednesday. Then that goes by. We may see finally a sunny, dry, coolish day by Thursday of next week. At least that's the plan. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com/weather. Stay safe. Have a fantastic Thursday night.